Hello everyone, my name is Lisa. Welcome to my channel. I'm really glad that you have time to rest and draw, and of course I'm glad that you decided to use my channel for that. Today I'm gonna show you how to paint the balloons in watercolor. So let's get started. Firstly, I make an easy pencil drawing to distribute the balloons on the sheet. Try to make different sizes, no repetitions, cause it will be more interesting than several of the same. And also I make some patterns. Okay, well, the balloons are ready. Next, wet the sheet only around the balloons. For the sky I use cadmium orange, sienna and opera. Then add purple for clouds, not try to control the paints, let it works whatever it wants. I do love watercolors for that because every time I use it I have interesting and unpredictable result. For making some watercolors effects, I often use salt, but paper should be still wet at that time, so don't miss the moment. The balloons should be bright for contrast, and also the story about the balloons, not about the sky or clouds. So the balloons brighter than the sky. This is the point. I use only clean paints and brushes. You can also change the water in the glass. Imagine that you have the sun somewhere on the left of your sheet, so you need to make shadows on the right on the balloons. At the end, I use a thin brush for contours and some other details like ropes, patterns on the balloons, and maybe birds in the sky. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I will be so glad to your comments and subscriptions. See you soon. Goodbye.